This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss module 20 of course named A Beginner's Guide to Java Programming Language. The topic we are going to discuss today is called Precedence of Java Operators, a very important topic which has very important place in every programming language. So we will discuss about the Java programming language specifically. So more often than not, operators are used in combinations in expressions. However, we must have also realized that it becomes difficult to predict the order in which operation will take place during execution. The operator precedence table for Java shall help us predict operator operation in an expression reduction. For instance, if we are performing addition and multiplication in the same expression, then multiplication takes place prior to addition. The following table illustrates the order and hierarchy of operators in Java. Dissociatively, for all the operators is left to right. I'm gonna highlight it, increase the size of the text. However, the unary assignment and conditional operator follows right to left associativity. So let's draw a table to understand the precedence rule in Java operators, which operator has more highest and the lowest precedence in Java. So here we are, viewers. We will first type the heading as operator, and the second one contains the category. So we will type all the operator and its category one after another. So first we will type the parenthesis and then column bracket, which is called dot operator. So it's a postfix category. Now we'll discuss the plus plus, minus minus, colon, tilde operator. It has a unary category. Next one is asterisk, slash percentage. It has multiplicative. Next one is plus symbol, minus symbol, which has additive category. Next one is greater than symbol, and then this. It has shift category, greater equal to, lesser equal to, relational category. Next one is equal, not, exclamation symbol, not equal, not equal, equality category, and then ampersand. It has bitwise AND. Next one is pipe symbol, which is bitwise OR. Next one is caret, which is a bitwise XOR. Next one is ampersand, double ampersand, logical AND. Next one, double pipe symbol, logical OR. Next one is question mark, colon, which is a conditional category, and then equal to symbol, plus equal to, minus equal to, asterisk equal to, slash equal to, percentage equal to, greater than equal to, lesser than equal to, ampersand equal to, caret equal to, and in the end pipe symbol equal to. These are all assignment category. In the end we'll type comma as comma category. So these are all precedence of Java operators we have discussed in our video. So in our next video we'll discuss about if condition, which is the very backbone of programming in any programming language, in module number 21. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching my video.